Welcome back, everybody. He's already got the steps down for line dancing. Now Jordan is switching topics to birds of prey. It's just an example of the variety of things you can learn about through UW Green Bay's Lifelong Learning Institute. It's available at all their area locations. Hi, Jordan.
Hi guys, you know what, just call me the line dancing falconer today. I got the glove on. It's going to be another great segment here, so stay tuned. First off, we're going to start with Susan Pike and talk about these classes again, because we got the banner next to you. I got music, art, biking. I mean, there's tons to learn here.
There's quite a bit to learn, and that's why our organization is so popular. We're nearing almost 1,100 students before COVID. But anyway, classes like on CBD oil, classes on hearing loss. We are so thankful for Lori and her crew here at the Wildlife Sanctuary, and that's why we chose to focus here today, is because they have been so good to lifelong learning every semester, pretty much offering classes for us. Like today's class that they're going to touch on, that's a class they're giving for us this fall semester.
Basically, we were talking off camera, anything that you want to learn and just kind of go a little bit further in depth with, you can find here with this huge list of classes. Now, fall semester is coming up real fast here. How can people sign up?
So our website has the registration link and more information about registration. That's www.uwgb.edu/LLI, or just do a search on UW Green Bay Lifelong Learning. It'll pop right up. Otherwise, our office number is 465-2356. We have front desk volunteers that are so generous in helping people with any questions they have about registration.
Okay. Get signed up today, guys, but let's talk about what's here at the Bay Beach Wildlife Sanctuary. Lori, you know, these classes, what are people going to learn here at this location?
We have so much fun with LLI and the students coming out, and this fall we're going to have a wonderful class about birds of prey. You can come out here, check out the birds, get up close with ambassadors, but also learn about finding birds of prey out in the wild on your own, too. Yeah,
cool. And we got some here, too. Obviously, this is a big part of what you guys do here, and seeing the ambassadors, too. Will the people in the classes be able to hold them and get up close as I am today?
Definitely, you'll be able to get up close. You'll learn about how we hold them, but then we also talk about volunteer opportunities that you can come out to the Wildlife Sanctuary, walk these birds around, and have some fun. All
right, very cool. So who do we have here first off?
This is Claude. He's named for Claude Alloway. He is our American kestrel, and all of our animals here at Bay Beach Wildlife Sanctuary have some permanent injury. They can't go back to the wild, so he has a permanent wing injury.
All right, very cool. Let's move on here. And who do we got here? This one's a little bit bigger, right?
Yes, this is Xander. So Xander is a red-tailed hawk. So he is not fully flighted, so he would not do well being released out into the wild, so that's why he's with us here. And we've had him for about 8 years.
All right. I'm just glad he's not staring at me. He seems to have more interest in my microphone, so thank you for, you know, just staying put there. All right, you may move on. Thank you for showing off that guy. Whoa! And Matt, who do we have over here to last but not least, I should say, right? Amber, and what's so special about Amber?
Well, she is our resident eastern screech owl, so she's what's called a red morph.
Okay.
Unfortunately for Amber, she never regained flight when she came into our program several years ago.
But I hear she wants to stand on my fingers, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna try getting you to hold her.
Okay.
So what I'm doing, she's what we call backloading, and basically your fingers are gonna be like a branch, and I'm gonna tell her to perch.
Okay.
And then you're gonna grab the swivel with your thumb there.
Okay.
I'm gonna wrap. And then we're just to be on the safe side, because safety is always important, and we're just going to tie this off, and
done.
There you go.
Look at this, guys. This is such a fun class that you can do for yourself too, and meet some of these great guys here at the Bay Beach Wildlife Sanctuary, one of many classes with the Lifelong Learning Institution at UWGB.
All right, love it. What a fun day. All right, thanks, Jordan. We'll be right back.